So this time we are going to check a different resource, and this is quite easy to use. Whenever you see this icon, it means that there is a PDF file there. And most of the PDF files in our course are for you to download. I know that you are a young person and that you are very used to reading in your mobile phone or reading in the computer or maybe at the tablet, but it is always good to download it and print it. And if you print it, you can also make comments or underline whatever you think it is necessary. And I strongly suggest that you download and print every PDF file that you will find in this course. So let us check this PDF file. As you have here, it says PDF document. So I am going to click here. Okay, here I have the PDF file. As you can see, you can scroll it down or upwards the way you want. And the information that I am giving you here is quite important, both for you and for me. Once again, we have the welcome to this course, and also we have some words about the structure of the course in three different modules and some suggestions or maybe pieces of advice for you to check, and they are quite interesting and important, like browse through the entire course, which is what we are doing little by little, step by step, and get familiar with the navigation procedure. I strongly suggest that you do that. It is important that you can do it almost automatically, almost without thinking, so that you pay all your attention to what you are going to be learning. And they also, I also suggest that you get familiar with the ways to upload your assignments. And this is exactly what I am doing now, teaching you how to do it, how to work with every different material that we get. Check the calendar. I would say I cannot overemphasize the importance of checking the calendar. So check the calendar. You have it at the dashboard. And if you print it, it would be a great idea. It would also be very nice if you copy this calendar to your own Google Calendar or to your own mobile calendar so that your mobile or your Gmail account reminds you of what you have to do. It is important that everyone fulfills the assignments, uploads the activities or materials in time. And then, well, again, number 5, check the time, etc. So you saw this is very easy. We have here the PDF file, and you can, of course, download it, not only open it. If you want to go back to the course, you just click on the arrow to the back. And here we are again in the course. I will do another test like here about this course. So you click on this. This is also a PDF file. Once again, you have important information. Get to know what kind of course we are going to be working with. This is not an ordinary English course. It is important that you get the difference. So this PDF file tells you or gives you information about the course itself, and then about the overall objective. The objective comes from the official syllabus. So this course is based on the official syllabus, but it has plenty of different resources and a new perspective, which is an interdisciplinary perspective. That is, English will help you to learn or remember what you need from physics, so that when you go to your physics class, you will also remember English. I really want you to build these interconnections between physics and English. And this will also help you when you go to the university in order to read whatever is published about physics. If you read it in English, I'm sorry to say, it will be more up to date than if you try to read it in Spanish. And then you have the specific objectives of the course. I really urge you to read them and to pay attention to them. And if you have any questions on any of these things, you can post them at the forum that I will show you in a while. So this is the specific objectives. You will see that you will be learning at least 300 basic terms, which are the terminology related to your area, mathematics, physics mainly. Also, we'll be working with cognitive processes and, of course, with reading comprehension strategies. And very important, you will be developing different academic skills like creating infographics, creating good, high quality academic presentations, and you will also be presenting in front of an auditorium, of course, in a virtual way. Mhm. Then the graduate profile, and then you also have the course description, but in a more detailed way. Every module has three different components. One is vocabulary, another one is grammar, and the other one is reading. So pay attention to all these things. These are the skills and the processing that we are going to be developing along the course. It is important that you check and read all these. Remember that I ask you to print everything so that you pay attention to it. Then about the course duration and of course the grades. So many people, many students who have studied my courses in the previous years, they always refer to my courses like it is like climbing a mountain, and a very steep mountain. Yes, you will have to do a lot of effort. Yes, that's true. But you will get big achievements and you will feel very satisfied and you will realize that you are more intelligent, smarter, more responsible, and more efficient than you thought. A lot more. So let's start moving upwards. I will stop this video and then there will be more videos. Don't forget to watch them.